Welcome to episode 20 and week 3 of Minute May. Today I'm going to give you several techniques for kneading and spreading your pizza dough. 60 seconds on the clock, let's go. The first technique is kneading the pizza dough. You can add a light coating of olive oil to your hands to make sure the dough does not stick to you. Then you want to push the dough away from you and then fold it back into itself. Repeat this process of pushing it away, folding it back over. Once your dough is kneaded well, you are going to finish it off at the bottom by rotating your hands underneath it while at the same time bringing your hands together. This will form a connected ball at the bottom. Now when you spread your dough, you are going to push the air from the center of the dough into the outsides of the dough. To spread the pizza and make it larger, you will use your right hand to hold the dough down in place and take your opposite hand to pull away from the opposite side of where your other hand is. Reshape the dough and continue this process until you hit a size that you like.